The deflector installs under the mulch door and allows you to convert your mower to side discharge. The deflector is made of a flexible plastic, which can wear over time. It can become cracked, or the attachment hooks can break. Replacing the deflector is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The deflector is secured beneath the mulch door. There are no tools required to install it or remove it. To remove it, I just lift up the mulch door and pull the mounting tabs away from the mulch door hinge pin. Now I can install the new deflector. Up here are the mounting tabs. The tabs fit just beneath the hinge pin for the mulch door. So to install it, I just snap the tabs beneath the pin and then lower the mulch door back into place. And that's how simple it is to install a new deflector on your lawnmower.